What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another one today, all the way from Deming, New Mexico. About a 3-hour drive south of New Mexico. Ram single cab RT. Check it out. Customer just dropped it off. He just left on the Uber. RT Ram. It's got the black leather. We're gonna go ahead and install a 5-button soft touch and do a black headliner. We're not going to be painting the plastics on this one. We're going to be leaving everything OEM, and we'll just go ahead and change this out to black, kind of blend this in. But this is what she's looking like now. I'm starting to go ahead and take the pillars off. Headliners are really loose, so another one from Deming. Shouts out to the homie Moises, backyard drops. If you're in Deming, hit him up. He does a lot of good work. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, we got the headliner wrapped in black fabric. We're going to go ahead and install it on the truck. Everything is already powered up. Sunroof is installed. We're almost done with this install. Let's go ahead and put it on. Get everything 100%. Get everything connected. Alright, guys, install's been done. Everything's 100%, all completed. Let's check it out. We're back with another one. Extended cab Silverado, all the way from Lubbock, Texas. Drove down Rob's Customs. You need a double sunroof with a Titan window in the back. We're going to be doing a 5-button soft touch in the front, basic 2-button in the back. Customer request. This extended cab is clean. It's got the black roof. Here she is. We're going to be blacking everything out. Visors, top console, handles. We got a tight window on the back. We're going to be installing. He was supposed to drop it off tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, to start on it. He came a little early, which is good because I can start on the doubles, try to get those knocked out today. I got about maybe 3 more hours of daylight. Try to knock it out today. That way I can tomorrow focus on the tight window and get the customer back on the road. Alright, I'm gonna start by removing everything, getting our measurements and going from there. Alright, guys, this is where we're at right now. It's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. I got both sunroofs installed. Both of them installed. Now I'm gonna do the headliner. I'm gonna wrap it in black fabric, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna try to see if I can install everything, get everything 100% before it gets dark. Like I said, I did do a sunroof this morning from Deming on a Ram. This is the same day doing doubles, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to knock it out. And then tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, I'm gonna start on the Titan window. All right. Alright, guys, got the headliner all wrapped up. ready to go and to install. Like I said, it's getting dark on me. Here's the sunroofs. Got a very little light left. I'll be able to install it, cut it out for the sunroofs. I still had to paint all this, so once I get that headliner installed, I'm gonna get all this painted. It's the next morning. Did get the sunroofs done last night. It was late, but I got them done. Do have this rear seat out, prepping for the Titan window. There's the double sunroofs. Check it out. Came out clean. Everything blacked out. Alright, so this is what it's looking at. I did clean it up, vacuum it up for the customer. He had a bunch of dirt and wanted to clean it up. I like to clean them up a little bit for the customer. I am going to remove this foam, this type right here. I'm going to remove this. Anything that's going to be in the way of the kit, I'm going to have to cut off. I'm going to have to cut that off there. Everything else looks good, so I'll go ahead and remove this little trim here, take these off, and we're getting real close to cutting out the little section there for the Titan window. What's up, guys? We're almost done with the Titan window. We got the double sunroofs done last night, pretty late, but we got them done. Titan windows in. I just got to install my custom bracket. It already has my gasket. Gives it a nice clean OEM look. I see a lot of people install these Titan windows and they don't put this gasket, and you can see the glue or the outline of the edge of the glass to the cab. It just makes it look a lot cleaner this way. Hey, you tell me. It's looking good. Double sunroofs, Titan. It's looking good. It is cut out. I gotta install the regulator and my custom bracket, and then it's wired up, ready to go. I got the button right here. I just gotta make sure everything is good, and then I'll just pop this right into here, give it a clean look. OEM. That's it, guys. Should be ready to roll. Throw my Rob's Customs placazo right there on there, and she'd be ready. All the way from Lubbock, Texas, at Rob's Customs. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install my custom bracket, install the regulator, and that's it, and it should be done. I'll get some footage of it once it's powered up, connected. Like I said, the wires, all the wiring has been done already. Once I get it functional, then I'll get some video of it going up and down. And then I do gotta install the back seat. That's the last of it. I just gotta make sure the Titan window is good, open and closes with no problems, no issues, and then I'll go ahead and install the back window, the back seat, bolt it down, and then it'll be ready for the customer. All right, stay tuned. All right, got everything installed. Put the back seat in. Here's the button. Clean. Came out good.